Today, for the upcoming festival of Holi, we want to show you how to make Thandai. Holi is an Indian spring festival, also known as the Festival of Colors, and Thandai is one of the most popular drinks consumed during Holi time. It's made with a blend of nuts, seeds, and spices that are known to have a cooling effect on the body. That's actually where the drink gets its name. The word Thand in Hindi means cold, and the word Thandai thus refers to the cooling effect of the drink. To prepare the Thandai mix, here we start with 1/4 cup of blanched almonds. Then we've got 2 tablespoons of melon seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of white poppy seeds. We actually found it quite challenging to find melon seeds and white poppy seeds here in Germany, so we tried a version using pumpkin seeds and blue poppy seeds that are quite common here. Stay tuned to see how that turned out. We're also adding 1 tablespoon of rose petals, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 to 5 pods of green cardamom, and a generous pinch of saffron. Now that we've put together all our ingredients, we're ready to soak them overnight. Take a glass jar or a small bowl and add in all of the ingredients. Here, we're using a rolled up paper funnel to make sure that everything goes into the jar. Then, add in half a cup of room temperature water and let the mix soak overnight or for at least 6 hours. Soaking helps soften the nuts, seeds, and spices and will make it easier to blend them into a smooth paste later on. Now that our Thandai mix has plumped up and softened, we can blend it into a smooth paste. Add all of the soaked ingredients along with the soaking liquid to the blender jar. Next, come in the last 2 ingredients of this recipe. Firstly, sugar. We're adding 1/3 of a cup of sugar here, but you can add more or less depending on your taste. And then some milk. First, we'll add just a splash of milk, and that will help everything come together into a smooth paste. Once we have a smooth paste, we'll then add the rest of the milk to make our Thandai. For this recipe, we used around 500 ml of almond milk, but you can go ahead and use regular milk or whatever other milk you prefer. Blend together to mix the Thandai paste together with the rest of the milk. Once everything is well incorporated, we're going to strain our Thandai through a sieve. We want to make sure that our drink is smooth and creamy and don't want chunks of spices and nuts in our drink. Make sure to chill your Thandai so that it's ice cold when you serve it. If you've been enjoying this video, give it a like and let us know in the comments what you thought about this recipe. This Thandai is delicious and refreshing as it is, but if you're serving it to some guests over Holi, you can make it extra special by garnishing it with some rose petals, chopped pistachios, and some saffron. So that's it, folks. That's our take on Holi special Thandai. And as promised, we also tried a version with blue poppy seeds and pumpkin seeds. We weren't sure how this was going to turn out with these German local ingredients, but to our surprise, it was just as delicious as the original recipe. So we really hope that you give this recipe a go and wish you a very happy Holi.